The Cisco Business Mobile App is designed for small to medium-sized businesses that use Cisco's small business portfolio of network devices, including switches, wireless access points, and voice-over IP phones. Its user-friendly interface gives remote access to network devices for simplified management, monitoring, and troubleshooting. When this application was first released, it provided Greenfield support only, meaning the app only supported devices such as new units or devices that were factory reset. Starting with version 1.6.1, the app has Brownfield support too. With Brownfield support, you don't have to start from scratch. You can simply migrate your existing supported network devices. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to use the Brownfield support feature on the Cisco Business Mobile App. Next. Before any steps can be taken, you need the app downloaded with the latest version available. To get started with the Brownfield process, select Add Site at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click Get Started. Enter the name, description, and address of your site. In this example, I've used Cisco Lab for site name and Office as the site description. There are other site description options to choose from on the drop-down menu. After that, select the address of your site and then Next. Enter your site's credentials, the username and the password. Click Next to continue. Look over the summary page for your site to make sure everything is correct. If it looks good, click Add Site and then Done. The site has been created. Great. It's time to start adding pre-configured devices. First, select your site. Choose the Migrate Current option. To discover devices in your current network, you need to connect the newly created site to your Wi-Fi network. Click Connect Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi you wish to connect to. If your Wi-Fi SSID, the name of the wireless network, is not shown, open the drop-down menu to see the other options. After selecting your site, press the Confirm button. Once the site is connected to the Wi-Fi network, select Discover Devices. The app will discover pre-configured Cisco devices within your local network. Select the devices that you would like to add to your site, and then press the Validate Credentials button. The Cisco Business Mobile App will initially attempt to authenticate using the primary credentials associated with your app's site. Unvalidated devices will appear at the top of the screen, while the units that have been validated will appear at the bottom. If needed, select additional devices to validate them. Validate all the devices and click Done. Select the Migrate Devices button. You'll be prompted to verify your management SSID and password. Input your password credentials and press Next to continue. Make sure to verify that you're connecting your site to the correct management Wi-Fi, and then select Next. Before starting the migration process, it's important to note that you should not quit or minimize the app until the process is completed. Select Migrate Devices to start adding the devices to your site. The app will display the current migration status. The process may take up to 3 minutes. Once the app has completed the migration process and your devices have been deployed, it will notify you that they are now live. Select Done to continue to your site information page. On the site's main page, you will be able to see the number of SSIDs associated with your access point on their Wi-Fi and your network. Additionally, you'll see the number of devices that have been recently migrated to your Cisco Business Mobile App site under the Network Devices section. If you click on Network Devices, it will open a new page where you'll be able to select and make configuration changes to specific devices. Click the arrow to go back to the main site page. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the number of clients connected to your access point. In addition, the app notifies you of recommended firmware upgrades or any potential networking problems. You can choose to upgrade the firmware on specific devices or to address any networking issues. select the notifications icon at the top of the screen for more information. Mission accomplished. You've migrated your existing network onto the Cisco Business Mobile App. Now you can manage your existing network devices with ease. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.